Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, this beautiful day. What's going on? I'm gonna be working on the console RPG a little bit. I was thinking maybe I'm just gonna organize this a little bit here. Game. This is kind of annoying. So main, then I'm gonna get character up here. And then I'm gonna work on other stuff, but this is gonna be my main stuff. Character, just like this, and then game, and that's fine. So what I want to do is, I'm not sure about the X and Y coordinates. I don't think we really need X and Y coordinates, to be honest. I'm pretty sure we don't need these. Just distance traveled is enough because we're making a simple game. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these and just do that. I'm going to remove these two and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to clean this out. I'm just going to clean all of this out and I'm going to do something that was requested and go ahead and remove STD from everywhere. That's something I'm going to do as well. There was a lot of people who wanted that namespace STD, and I see how it would make it easier. So I'm down to do that. But we're gonna have to include it somewhere. This is complicated. Using namespace STD. So doing that here, that means in game I can do this. At least in game I can do this. Just clean this out. How can I do this otherwise? Find and then just go ahead and do std : This is just, and replace it with nothing. Replace next. It should be like a match case. Well, it is working. I think it's working, guys. Okay, so we gotta do it from the start. Here. Character, namespace std, just like that, and here we're gonna do the same thing. std : match case, replace. Oh my god, I hope I didn't ruin something, but it's okay. Okay, there we go. So hopefully that will make it a little easier for you guys. And this is okay, so we want to work a little bit with save and load. So this is where we're gonna have to do. After cleaning it up a little bit, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna see what I have. So I need to save. I'd save HP, stamina. I'd save HP and stamina. All the other stuff will be automatically done. I need to save these. So I got XP, HP, stamina. I got all the stats. I think I got all the stats. Luck, defense, accuracy, luck. Defense, accuracy, luck. What is this? Wait, okay, no, alright. Strength, vitality, dexterity, intelligence. Level, gold, and distance traveled. So name plus 2 string gold plus 2 string. Well, actually that will be gold, and then above it will be distance traveled, just like that. So name, distance traveled, gold, level, exp, strength, vitality, dexterity, intelligence, HP, stamina, stat points, skill points. Set points, skill points, that's good. That's about it for save, I'd say, right now. Defense, security, select. Okay, so we're gonna need another function in here called update stats. Where am I? Here we go. Okay, so void update stats. Alright, update stats. Go into player, find a nice beautiful spot like here above level up, and then we'll go ahead and do update stats and void, of course. There we go. Now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to copy paste this, and actually just copy paste all of this, at least up to there, and put it in here. Now exp next is this, of course. This is after loading. That's going to be updated. Strength is, no, we don't need this. We need to update these. HP max is this. This we don't need. Stamina max is this. Damage min. Dexterity, this intelligence. So that is just a update stats after we level up or load or something like that. So after we allot skill points. So that's good. Get a string is good. So that's good. That's great. That's great. So save characters. We're just gonna save it out into a file. Let me see if that works. Let me see if that works real nice right now. Okay, let me see character sheet. We're good. And then we're just gonna save characters and then 0 quit. Now I'm gonna go into this thingy and go into where it's save characters. Go. Alright, so I got all my stuff. Every character will be on a new line. That's good. Alright. That's good, that's good, that's good. Alright. Okay. So that is my number 1 character. Let me copy paste this in here. Let me do if stream in file. File name, of course. If in file is open. Gonna remove this. We're gonna say in file dot close. Now we do have our characters, so we're gonna make a character. We're gonna put in a bunch of stuff, and we're gonna do pushback. So while if it's open, then while dot end of file, we're gonna work. So character, wait, in file dot, so we'll just get the line for the character. We'll get the line. First thing is the name in file. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to go in here. We're gonna have to make a character, and we're gonna set all its stuff. So set, what do we need? String name. We need an, here we go, int level, int distance traveled, int gold, dexterity, vitality. Now I just have to see how it's saved though. It's saved in get a string. So it saved distance, name, distance, goal level, EXP strength. Distance, goal level, EXP strength, vitality, dexterity, intelligence, HP, stamina, stat, skill. Okay. Strength, dexterity, skill points. Alright, so we loaded one character in. Alright, and once it's loaded in, we're going to do a character. Now, what options do we have here? We have a character constructor. We need a character constructor using. So that's what we need first. We need to get a character constructor. And just do this, copy this, and just paste that, just like that, and say string name. Now we're gonna have to do all this again. Good Lord have mercy. And distance traveled. And gold. What is it? Let me see. There we go. Gold. Name, distance, gold. Int level. Int exp. Name, level, int exp. Strength, int vitality. Int dexterity. Int intelligence. Bam. And HP. And stamina. What else? Stat points. And skill points. So there, we can create a character using just these things here. And up here, do this, and then we're going to do character like that. And we have a nice constructor. Now, distance traveled. Just going to update all these guys and girls. Points, skill points, skill points. Okay, so we're going to set all of these using the update stats function. Just going to call update stats actually in here. Oops, it's not the right one. Here we go. Update stats. So I'm just going to call that. Boom, we're good. After the constructor is completed. And then yeah, we're fine. Then we can create a character. So in game, character name, distance traveled. Wow, this is the most tedious thing I have ever done. Intelligence, HP, stamina, stat points, skill points. Okay, so we can make a character. And then we're going to just say temp and say this characters dot push back character temp. So there we go. We're just going to push that back and boom 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 while it's open. While get line, I usually do this, I think. Get line in file. Get line in file. Let's see. String. I think I usually do this. We'll see. While you can get a line. So name. But we'll try this first. So when you load, the first thing we want to do is we want to clear the old ones. So we're gonna do this characters dot clear, just like that. Empty them out. This well, maybe we don't want to save them, but we'll just say this. And that means that we'll delete all the old ones and then shove in all the new ones. Now, if at the end of this, if this active characters dot size, no, what am I doing? This characters dot size is less or equal to 0. It won't be less than 0, but still. Throw error, no characters loaded, or empty file. Okay, so we'll just straight up throw it out, and we'll see what happens. Whoops. And the file. Okay, so let me see. Search, and then we'll say save characters. That worked. 8 load characters. Something broke. Okay, so it didn't actually. Okay, well, string line, just like that. While get line in file line. So first of all, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove this. I want to see, so we load in everything just quickly before I do any of this. I'm just gonna do td, no, whoops, cout. See how much easier that is? Thanks for the advice, guys. Line and then new line. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna print that out, and I'm going to break that and go ahead and check it out. Oh wait, that's just my external hard drive, I think. Yeah, okay, there we go. Search, now we already have that file, so 8 load characters. It loaded me up. That's great. That's great. So it shouldn't have a problem actually saving me to this characters.0.get as string. So we'll see if this works. Let's see if this works. 8. Okay, that worked. So I got it out. That was good. So that worked. Info close. Hey, that worked. I think. No, it didn't. Wait, what? No, it didn't. Because this one. But it did though. Or no, wait. What about now? Cout this characters at position 0.get as string. What about now, guys and girls? What about now? Ah, come on. Hurry up. You gotta wait. There you go. Search now 8. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That was not good. Let me see. Let's do string stream. So that's one thing. String stream ss include string stream. Alright, so stream. So we're just experimenting a little bit. Okay, so now that's fine. String. String stream. String stream. No, what am I doing? str dot set string dot let me see, str equals line, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do str dot name str. This should work. Okay, there we go. We're just gonna try this. So I'm a little unsure about how to load this. Cout str.str, new line. Let's see. Str equals line. Let me see if we can do that. str. Okay. 8 little characters, so that got it out. Actually got it out. That's good. That's good. And we got our character in here working. So that did work. That did work. Okay. What about now? Okay, 8 load characters. Hell yeah, boys. Hell yes. So we loaded our first character. We're good. Cout character loaded. Character name loaded. There we go. /n. Bam. Good. And that's good. So hell yeah. That's our load. That's our load function and save function. I'm sorry about that, guys and girls, being so long. Kind of figured it out in the end. So I missed one little thing. What you want to do is you want to do str.clear. You want to clear our string stream for the next input. So I made a file. Our character file now has 3 characters, 3 different ones, and we cleared this out, and we'll just run this. Alright, so lil and then just 8 load characters. So we got Serge, Bob, and Nisse loaded, and I think 0 is going to be the active character, so that's going to be Serge. Alright, so but that worked. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye bye.